Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Swiss franc, USD CHF for 2nd March 2021. Okay, this video is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. So this video is for today only. Okay, so you can see on the screen that right now market is trading at 0.91825 and market is in quite a beautiful uptrend. Okay, there is no doubt. Okay, so does it mean that you can buy here? Okay, you can obviously, if you have got the risk appetite and you are a newbie, then you can buy here. But this is not the area of value, as if you watched my previous videos, then you must be aware of few concepts like area of value, why discipline is important. Okay, so this is not the area of value. The area of value will be, okay, only near this 50 moving average. If the market comes down to this 50 moving average and it takes support and bounces from there, then only it will be a nice position to buy. But market may not come down to the 50 pair moving average, and without taking support at the 50 moving average it may go up and up. It's not it. Okay, that thing that may also happen. So in that case, what can we do? In that case, your strategy, you can modify your strategy for today. This is the Forex chart. Okay, in the Forex chart you can also see that market is a beautiful uptrend and market is quite has made it quite a big jump from here. Let me draw. Okay, so in the for today you can do one thing. You can switch to Forex time frame and just wait for the price to come down. Okay, just wait for the price to come down and take support at the 50 moving average. If it doesn't take support at the 50 moving average, maybe see, market is making higher highs. Okay, market is not crossing the lows. Okay, this is the higher lows. Market is not crossing the lows. Okay, so it means that when market will come down, when market will come down again, market will not break this previous low. Instead of breaking the previous low, market will reverse from somewhere around here. Okay, and market will, if the trend is on, then market will reverse from here. Okay, from here market will again start going up. So just wait for the market to come down. Let's see whether market takes support at the 50 moving average or not. If it doesn't take 50 moving average, if before taking support at the 50 moving average market reverses by making a higher low, then also you can buy. You can spot the higher low with the help of stochastic RSI indicator. I love stochastic RSI indicator. You can also use it. It is useful in identifying the oversold and overbought levels in the market. Okay, suppose market comes down, then just wait for the price to hit the oversold zone. When it will be in oversold zone, and from here when it will start going up again, just look at the price. Where is it? If it is in a position like this, then it is a very sweet spot to buy. And if market takes support from the 50 moving average and bounces off, and voila, what to say. Okay, that's also a good spot to buy. So this can be your strategy for US dollar Swiss franc for Tuesday 2nd March. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you all have understood. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you would like to know the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can also watch my today's analysis on the other currency pairs by following the Forex analysis playlist on the YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.